Today we're adding a sleek and sharp chop transition to your video edits. Let's get started. First, open your Canva video project and place at least two clips side by side on the timeline. Now, hover between the clips and click on the transition icon. From the transition list, go ahead and choose chop. This effect adds a stylish slicing motion between scenes, perfect for fast-paced or modern edits. You'll now see a few customization options. First, choose the direction of the chop, whether you want it to move clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then select the origin, which defines where the slice effect begins. Finally, use the duration slider to control how quickly or slowly the chop transition plays out. Once you're happy with your settings, click the check mark to apply it. And that's it. You've just added a crisp chop transition to your Canva video. It's clean, dynamic, and gives your edits a professional edge. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tricks.